Dow Jones and Nasdaq both has traded with slight bearish bias throughout this day today, and now let's see which direction Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones are going to take. Remember, as I told in the morning analysis, US100 has seen 12,300 and US30 at 33 sub 33,500 and in fact 33,470. So what to expect with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly chart. See, if you look closely on the hourly chart, this is the slope and this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Also, if you look closely on this near term chart, now wait for it to break past 12,400 and 12,450 levels. Yes, once it's done, 12,500. Remember, I have told several times 12,400, 500. On the downside, when it was above 12,500, this was the support zone, and now it is going to be the resistance zone. And hence, only and only if US100 trades about 12,500, you can expect that we may see bullishness, else it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now on the downside, definitely it is trying to show you a little reversal here on the hourly charts. And once it breaks past here 370 levels, you can expect 400, 420, 450, and then beyond that it is going to hit 12,500 levels till 450. We have to be extremely cautious. Now look, direction movement bearish, stochastic has recovered a bit. The MACD is extremely bearish and it is willing to cross over. Now see, this has come to extremes on the hourly charts. You can see, in fact, previous drop was here. This is breached below these levels and have exceeded, and hence a possibility of a reversal here exists. In the recent times, we have not seen it trading with that much bearish bias, and hence this brings a probability of a rise. Now RSI is also trading oversold, which might show or indicate a little recovery here. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, remember, Nasdaq 100 has fallen below this channel in which it is trading. It was trading since long. Also, you can see this was the breakout. Possibly this is the breakout here, which may take it till towards 12,200 if it is a worst case scenario, but then it may fall back again. Now look at the 2-hour charts. The last two candles, the bearishness is not there. See these two candles, diminishing body size and a long tail. This indicates there is a possibility of a reversal. Till the time it trades about 12,300, do not think of selling it. At the same time, you can buy at 12,370, and once it trades about 12,370, 12,380 levels, you can expect 420, 450 and 500 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD bearish here, RSI is also trading at bottom. If you look at 3-hour chart, now look at 3-hour charts, lower highs, again consolidation. Be watchful between 12,380, 12,300 levels. In between this, let's be cautious and observant and watchful. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Also, one more point to observe on the 4-hour charts. One candle, second and third, increasing bearishness. Now see the next candle, once it drops below 12,300, this is going to be this much big, that is almost 200 points, which means it can try to take it for 12,200 and 150 levels. Possibility exists that even if it continues to drop, we may see 12,200, 150 levels. So yes, staying short below 12,300 levels is something which is going to bring you profits. One can stay short below 12,300, and the stop loss has to be at 12,380 levels, 80 points stop loss, and you may get almost 150 points there. So 2:1 ratio. On the upside, see lower highs are seen. Only buy entry about 12,380, then 12,420. If these two are taken, then only we can expect that it is trying to reverse, retrace, which might bring it for 12,450, 500. Now see, directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. It may show you convergence. RSI is also trading at bottom. One probability which I can see here is a drop till 12 150 100, and then a little retracement again on the upside. This probability always exists. Now look at the daily chart. The complete movement so far is confined between the 20 period exponential and simple moving averages. And yes, see the first red candle and a big bearish candle. Second candle trying to get a pull on the downside. Once it trades below 12,300, certainly we can see 12,200, and in fact we may see 12,150 and 100. Now look at the previous candle, almost 300 points in a single day. Now 300 points in a single day means at least 200, 250 in the second candle can be seen. Also remember 12,000 is the support level here, 12,000 and 11,800 is the support level here. Till it stays above the zone, one can stay bullish in Nasdaq 100 in the near term. Now look at directional movement is bullish, trying to converge, stochastic looking forward to a drop. The MACD trying to cross over, it is trading with divergence, it is trading bearish, it is looking down. RSI is also looking down here, which may bring further bearishness in the near. Considering this, yes, you can buy today at 12,380 levels, but then 12,400, 420, 450 and 500. Till 12,500, do not consider there is a bullishness in Nasdaq 100. Do not consider, and you have to strictly put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Let it close. Wherever it closes, you can re-enter again if you are convinced that it is rising. Second point, you can sell at 12,300, rather I will say 12,280 levels. In between 12,280, 12,380, do not trade. Once you see it trading below 12,280, we can see a very good drop for 12,240, 200, 150 and 100. Remember 12,000, 12,100 is indeed a very good support zone for Nasdaq 100. Below that, a further bearishness can be seen there. First, 12,200 is definitely a very good support. Below that, we can see 12,000 and then 11,800. However, one cannot say that it is entered into bearish zone till 11,800 and 12,200 levels are breached successfully. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. You see US30 on the early charts, higher lows, lower highs. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of identifying the profitable entries, taking the right trades in the right times and taking the right exits, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the early charts here. See, so far it is bearish. After a sharp drop, it is trying to confine its movement between this. Specifically, last few candles are trying to be in a consolidation phase. So possibly once you see it trading beyond 33,600, you can buy for 650, 700. And only if you see it trading above 800, little more bullishness can be seen there. Yes, there is a possibility that in fact it can try to rise for 33,800 levels, which is going to be a very good resistance for the day. Now see, directional movement here is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic flat, the MACD is willing to cross over here and it is trying to enter for a buy. And also this is happening at a bottom levels at -100 levels, which means there could be little bullishness here. We may see a little retracement here. The RSI is also trading oversold. If you look at 2 hour, similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts, higher lows, lower highs. Let it break past 33,600, 650, 700 and above, which you can expect that it may try to trade bullish. Then 33,800 and 900 are the ultimate resistance level. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, it is trying to come out. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading oversold, indicating bearishness. And if you look at 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Now see these levels at 33,700, be watchful of this. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish here, it may converge. RSI at bottom and trading oversold. If you look at 4 hour chart, similar observation, but look at the previous 2 candles, increasing bearishness and tails there on the downside, which means there could be further drop. And then 33,420, 400 is the something you should watch out for. Below that, we may see it hitting 33,240, 200 levels. Directional movement extremely divergent bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD divergent and bearish, but see it is cusped here, it is seen the peak, and the RSI is also trading at bottom. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts, 20 and 50 period moving average are now trying to trade with divergence, and in fact it has got the support from the 100 period moving average. Also this is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence only bearish confirmation is once you see US30 trading below 33,400 and 370 levels, below which you can expect 33,200, and below that a further drop can be seen. Now see, this is a sharp rise, higher highs. Now it is trying to erase the gains. It has given a breakout here. Just wait for it to break past 33,400 further. We may see it stretching the drop a little bit, and in fact then below that we may see 33,000, 32,800 levels. Directional movement crossing over for the sell, stochastic dropping. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking down. RSI is also looking down. Considering this, you can sell at 33,500, rather I will say 33,490, 480 zone. Any point here you can sell, expect 33,450, 400, 300 and then 200 levels. Possibility to drop there till 33,200 is also there. On the upside, you can buy at 33,600. Rather I will say, in fact, you can buy at 33,570, but then let's better be cautious. You can buy at 33,570, expect 33,620, 650, 700. Till 700, do not consider this for a reversal. Only above 33,700, we can expect it to trade bullish. Till that time, you have to trade with caution. On the upside, above 33,700, it is 800 and 900 levels, which are going to act as an extreme resistance level. On the downside, 33,200 and 33,000 is going to be an extremely good support zone. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship by join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.